Okay, Minnie and I are on our way to her first obedience class. So we're getting ready. We're heading out on the freeway now. Husband's driving. So Minnie, can you say hi? We're headed. She's shivering a little bit. Aren't you shivering a little bit? Yeah. Okay, so I will keep you all posted as soon as we know anything at all. The main thing is we're just praying she doesn't get kicked out of obedience school. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, Minnie. Okay, come here. Focus. Good girl. Yes, yes. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. All right. So we took Minnie to her very first obedience class. And she really did quite good. She was shy acting, and she would sit in my lap and even get under my chair. Other dogs barked. She didn't even really bark. She wouldn't do some of the exercises, even with the special treats and stuff. In fact, she wouldn't take the treats at all. But she loves them here at home. So I brought the treats home. We've been working on it. And we've been, they tell us to tell her, okay, focus, and then you have to hold the treat by your nose and say, okay, focus. And when she focuses, you can give her her treat, and you say, yes, good girl. And then we're teaching them, come, Minnie, come. And if she doesn't come right away, then you have to go, and then you give them the same thing with the treat. Yes, good girl. So we've been working on that quite a bit. I left her food out all the time, but they said it's better if you leave the food just in the morning for the morning meal and then in the evening for the evening meal. So we did change that. We've been doing that. And she does like the treats a little bit better too. So, okay, so I'll put up a couple of little examples of her doing her little exercises this week with us. But so far, so good. I like it. Okay. Minnie, come. Yes, that's a good girl. Here you go. Good girl. Okay. All right. Focus. Focus. Yes, good girl. Okay, yes, so girl is doing really well, as you can see. She has done such a good job, and we've been working really hard. It was so funny as I was doing the editing on the video earlier. She could hear me saying over, you know, Minnie, come, Minnie, focus. And so I had to turn the volume down. It was pretty funny. So anyhow, I'll keep you posted on all of her videos and all of her upcoming classes. It's supposed to be once a week, every Saturday for 6 weeks. So I will keep you guys all posted. But you have a wonderful day, and we'll see all you good people later. Bye-bye.